hiking pack weight, and we're talking here of base weight, which is minus the consumables, which is obviously the fuel for your cooking system, water and food, because obviously they vary as the height goes on. Now under 10 pounds is considered ultralight, under 20 pounds is considered lightweight, and under 30 pounds is considered traditional weight. Now I don't know who works these things out. Obviously I don't think there's a backpacking committee that has come up with these figures. They're just a guideline. So my base weight is round about 26 pound, which is just under the traditional weight. And I'm going to show you what that base weight consists of. So the three main items in my kit is my backpack here, which is a Gregory Voltaro 75 litre. And that's a great pack. I've had this for a while, and that weighs round about 2.3 kilos. This is my sleep system. The Cedar Summit sleeping bag here, which also can be a quilt as well. The Arios pillow. The Thermorest Neo Air mattress. And the Neo Air pump bag, which comes with it. So that's my sleep system. And this is my tent. There's the fly sheet, the ground sheet, the inner, and the pole and peg bag there, all in one. And that just goes straight in the bottom of my pack. I don't have that in any stuff sacks. That's my wilderness equipment tent. That's my water system, B3 filter, Hydro Pack, which will take 2 litres of water, my 2 plastic bottles, one goes on the back of my pack, one at the front, a 1 litre insulated bottle, and at the back there, that's the pee bottle for the tent, and that goes inside that rubbish bag which hangs on the back of my pack, collecting the rubbish as I go along. My cooking system pot there, Tom Shoe pot, Snow Peak cup, Optimus windshield, and cutlery pieces in there. And this is the clothes that be going in my pack. Change of socks, toe socks and an outer sock, 1 change of those. Base layer t-shirt, merino wool. The next layer t-shirt, merino wool again, long sleeve. Another pair of shorts. My bandana. My beanie. My Marmot rain jacket and pants. And my Transcendent down jacket. And a lightweight towel for any chance of a shower, which I doubt, or a swim maybe. That's my clothes. Also, I've got my first aid kit. Three batteries, extra batteries from a camera. My mobile phone. My toilet bag, toilet paper, toothbrush, sun lotion toothpaste. I've got my map and compass for the trip. I've got my headlight torch, and I've got my little tent light which I use as well. And I've got a bag, I've got 3 spare batteries for my head torch, and another spare battery as well there, plus a charger for the head torch. I don't like keep charging the stuff because it runs down the battery bank, so I'll often bring some spare batteries as well. And then I've got my Anchor battery bank here, and that allows me to charge my phone roughly about 3 times. So obviously it's going to start off on a full charge, and I'm going to keep it on flight mode most of the day anyway, so that usually sees me through. I'll say this is only a 6-day hike, so that should see me through. The only other thing I don't have here, because I'm picking that up at the end of the week, a new one, is a Garmin Mini, so that's I'm picking that up at the end of the week. This is my clothesline, which I hang on the back of my pack. Obviously I'm starting off with my trekking poles, also my gaiters, but obviously they're not going in my pack as part of my base weight. My consumables for 6 days, I've worked out food and snacks will be about 700 grams a day. For 6 days, that's 4.2 kilos. And my starting off weight with my water, because there's plenty of water sources on this trip, is going to be 2 litres, so that's another 2 kilos, so that's 6.2 kilos, plus my gas canister is about 360 grams on top of that. So the consumable weight plus my base weight is going to be around about 18 kilos, which is round about 40 pounds. But hey, that's what it is. It's 40 pounds, and I'm going to have to work with that. And basically what I was trying to show you with my base weight and consumables coming up to 40 pound was that I don't consider that I had any luxury items in that list, but that's for you to judge. But personally, I don't think I did. I have to have a certain comfort level nowadays, and that's just how it is. I could save a few grams on some of those incidentals in the pack. Obviously the main 3, my sleeping system, my tent and my backpack, could be slightly on the heavy side. The dilemma is they cost together round about $1,800, and to be honest, I just don't have the money to change them. When I first started hiking, I didn't even know about ultralight, so in a sense I started off in the wrong way, you could say. Whereas if I had have got ultralight in the beginning, maybe that's what I'd have ended up now, but I didn't. And from what I've seen, this is a personal statement, that I don't believe ultralight equipment is as sturdy, as well as being expensive, as traditional equipment. Okay, Hike and Seeker signing out. Take care, and I hope to see you on another video soon. Goodbye.